Hey guys, this is Adam from VSPEED Garage, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what we do here and what you can expect from this channel. We have a couple cars in the garage right now. This 2016 Camaro 2SS, Audi TT Quattro 2005. Both of these are manual cars. Save the manuals. My brother also has a 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. It's a 2-liter turbo, and we'll be making some videos on projects that we're doing with these cars. Also, we create some 3D printed parts over at VSPEED. You can check those out at vspeedsim.com/garage. And really wanted to revitalize what we were doing here on the channel. We were originally 3rd gen hacks. We were working on 3rd gen Camaros exclusively, and then we got a CRZ, and then it became Z hacks, and now we're VSPEED Garage, part of the VSPEED family. You can see it on my hoodie here. VSPEED is a sim racing organization that I'm a part of. And this is kind of the real world aspect of that. Going to be working on cars, doing automotive projects. We will be showcasing those and answering questions and doing requests if you'd like. Thank you so much for joining us here on VSPEED Garage. Check out VSPEED, our other YouTube channel with the sim racing content. And please hit that subscribe button to stay notified of what we're doing throughout the week and in the months to come. It's going to be a lot of fun, and hope you enjoy the ride. High